Hello, welcome back for lesson number 51. I put a title called Final Edit. Today we're going to edit the parameter of this part so that the cycle time can be improved. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have completed the part. The cycle time is 66.52 minutes. Today we're going to do some editing so that the cycle time can be improved. The first one, we will go for the first operation, which is spiral cut. Right mouse click, edit, change the depth. Also remove the retract because we no need to waste time to do a spiral exit. Calculate. OK. We will continue on the second operation. Edit again, change the depth, calculate, click OK. Continue with the packing because the drill is big so that we can drill deeper for the packing operation. Right mouse click, edit, change the packing depth, calculate, OK. So you can see that we already performed a solid verified. Looks good, everything is to our expectation. We go for analysis, the same, only the cycle time is improved. You can see that is 57.69. So by changing the parameter, we can always improve the cycle time. Save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it, go for the first one, double click, you can see the operation, 2.67 minutes, right mouse click, edit, we will need to change the depth, go for 5, remove the retract, calculate, looks good, okay, the time is 1 minute 48, double click, collapse it, double click, 15.22 minutes, right mouse click, edit, go for the depth, this is 8, calculate, okay, 7.85 minutes, double click, collapse it, go for the packing, this one, 12.35 minutes, right mouse click, edit, we go for the depth, this is 10, this is 4, calculate, okay, looks good, the time is 57.69 minutes, let us perform a solid verify, slow down, play, option, analysis, visual, looks good, no change, this is what we expected, close, close, we save the file. Thank you for watching. We have completed this part for this lesson. We will start a new part at the next lesson. Bye bye.